Hello student, last class we discussed about the angles made by transversal with two lines. In there we discussed exterior angle and interior angle. Now we'll discuss about the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means what? The angle which are in the similar position between the transversal. So first we draw two lines. This one and this one. Okay. Suppose this one is line L and another line is M. Now we draw another line which transversal. Transversal means which cutting two or more position at a distinct point on different line. Suppose this one, give the line, I give the name, this one is P. Corresponding angles means the pair of angle is one side of transversal. One side, suppose we see the right side of the transversal. Okay, this line is transversal, no? This line is known as this line is known as transversal. This line is known as transversal. Transversal, the pair of angle one side of the transversal. First we see the right side of the transversal. Right side means this side. This and this is the same position. You notice this is the same position. That means above the intersecting line. Both angles are above intersecting line. I give the name. This one is suppose 1 and another is I give name. This is 1. I give this is the 8. Okay. Now same position means both same side, both are right side and both are above the intersecting line. Again another pair of the this side is this one and this one. Both are right side and below the intersecting line. So this is I give the name 4 and this is the 7. And one pair is 1 and 8 is the corresponding pair of corresponding angle. Similarly 4 and 7 also pair of corresponding angle. Now we see the left side of the transversal. This and this. Similarly another is this and this. Okay, I give the name is this one is 2 and this one is 5 and this 6 this 3 and this 6. So 1 and 8 one corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles. 4 and 7 is the one kind of pair of corresponding angles. 2 and 5, 3 and 6. All these are corresponding angles. Now we discuss alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle means interior angle which lies in the lies on the opposite sides of the transversal are called alternate interior angle. So first we draw the lines. This one and this one. Similarly, this name is given L, another is M. Now I draw another line. suppose this one, give the name is P. Okay, now alternate means interior angle. Interior means we already say interior means inside angle of the intersecting line. That means this one interior angle, this one interior this one interior angle, this one interior angle, and this one interior angle. These all are inside the intersecting line, so they are called interior angle. Now alternate interior angle. Alternate means what? Alternate means this one and this one, both are alternate. I give the name, this one is 4 and this one 5. Similarly, another is alternate angle, this one 3 and 8. That means what? 3, 4, 5, 8 all are interior angle, but we need the alternate interior. So alternate means 4 alternate 5, 3 alternate 8. These are, so pair of the alternate angle is 4 and 5, 3 and 8. Now we discuss alternate exterior angle. Last we discussed about the alternate interior angle. Now we discuss alternate exterior angle. That means outside angle of the intersecting line. So first we draw the lines. Again, this one, this one. Similarly, this name is L and another is M. Now draw another line, this one. Suppose this name is P. Now alternate exterior means exterior angle which lies opposite side of the transversal. That means first we find out the which is the exterior angle. Exterior means outside of the intersecting line. That means this one, this one, this one, this one. All these lines are outside of the intersecting line. So they are exterior angle. But alternate exterior means opposites. Yes? So which pair we say alternate exterior? Suppose this one and this one. 1, I give the name is 6. Similarly, another alternate exterior is 2 and 7. 1, 2, 6, 7 all are the exterior angle. But alternate exterior, therefore 1 and 6 both are opposite sides of the transversal. 1 and 6 opposite. 2 and 7 also opposite side of the transversal. So this 2 and 7 is the one pair of alternate exterior angle, and 1 and 6 also another pair of the alternate exterior angle.